So here we have another chemical formula. We've got K plus B2O3 yields K2O plus B. So again, we cannot change anything about any of these individual Lego blocks, but we can change how many of them there are. So the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and update your scorecard, or down here at the bottom, your total number of atoms for each element. So we've got K, B, and O. So for K on the left side, we've got 1, and B on the left side, we've got 2, and O on the left side, we've got 3. There's 2 K's, there's 1 O, there's 1 B. So I'm just going to start from the top. A lot of times I'll just start from the top and then just work my way down. So for the K, now granted, starting from the top, sometimes this may, if you're not going to kind of take a look at the formula and try to figure out what's going on, then it may end in more steps, but I think it's okay. So for K, we're going to add more to this side than that side, because we can't just change this 2 to a 1. So what we've got to do is add the coefficient. Right now it is a 1. We want to change this to a 2. Update the scorecard. Now we look down, we've got on the right side, B and O are both low. So I'm going to go with a more complicated one right here, K, K2O, and the oxygen needs to be at a 3, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 3. That'll make this oxygen a 3. I'll make this K 3 times 2, which is 6. And we'll have to address that in a second, but let's go ahead and deal with the B. So the B needs to be changed to a 2. That means 2 times the 1 that's there is going to be 2. So we've got the O's balanced, we've got the B's balanced, and that's good, so we don't have to change anything over here. Now we just got to work on these K's. K on the left needs to equal 6. Now I could just erase this and do a 3, and then mark it out, and then go up a 4, but if you actually look at it and see, this needs to be a 6, so all I got to do is put a 6 there for the coefficient. And now we're balanced. We've got 6K, there's 2 B's, 3 O's, and on the right side we've got 3 times 2, there's 6. For the oxygens, there are 3 times 1, there's 3, and for the B's there are 2. So let's show how what this looks like if we were to do it with Lego. So there's 6 K's. The glare is bad on that. There's 6 K's. There's 1 B2O3. We don't have to change anything for that. For K2O, we need 3 of them. So let's put 3 right here. There's 3 of them. And for B, there needs to be 2. So now you can see visually that we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 K's. Started off with 2 B's on the left, and we end up with 2 B's on the right. And we've got 3 O's on the left, 1, 2, 3 O's on the right. So this formula is balanced. You need to get to the point where you don't need Legos or need the visual, but maybe the visual helps you understand what's going on the formula. You can change these coefficients, but you cannot change the subscripts on any of them.